the recent incident in Parliament. What actually happened? Did you smash the glass door? Did you get into a scuffle with the security personnel? What happened? Just take me through that.
Yeah. Actually, that day when at 11 the parliament started, around 11:20 it was adjourned, and it was adjourned till 2 o'clock. And some will be named. That's what chairman said. So we all went out naturally till 2. We went out, we went to Central Hall, we kept our bags and everything there. So we went home. And so after, between this adjournment time, they brought out a parliament bulletin where the names were there. So we couldn't get our things from the house because the bulletin was out, so we were not allowed to go in. So when the parliament started, we couldn't go there. As at 3:35 or so, it was adjourned for the day. And in the rule number 255 is clearly mentioned the suspension for the remainder meeting of the day. So naturally, our suspension was not there. It's finished. We started to go to the parliament, within the parliament, for getting our things. When we were entering into the lobby, some security personnel, they stopped us. We said, why are you stopping us? The house is adjourned and our suspension is gone. Now we can go or get our things. They said, no, we don't have the permission to let you in. I said, what the hell is going on? So we said, call your in charge and ask him that why you are stopping us. We talked to this, several minutes it was going on. Then we said that you cannot do that. They were not calling anybody. They were just still standing. And the male marshals, not the female marshals. So it was a commotion started. I mentioned that lag jayega. Please, chhod dijiye, lag jayega. A commotion started, and within the commotion, the glass broke. And no female marshal was there. And next day I came to know that complaint was being given against me. One female security personnel or marshal has given. So I was really astonished. I was having a male commotion with the male marshal, not the female one. So how could this female marshal could complain against me?
But allegedly, it was the female marshal who was injured, and she was also given first aid.
I am telling you that there's no female marshal. How could she be injured? One, she has to prove that. Check the CCTV. Because female marshal was not there. They are in the second line. The first line, it was the male marshals were there.
But is it true that you snatched a mobile phone and also had a scuffle?
Mobile phone? Can they show me? Can they show me? I'll leave my Rajya Sabha MP-ship. I haven't snatched any mobile and I don't lie.
Did you get into a scuffle?
We were just trying to enter and they stopped us, which they cannot. This is the main thing happened. They cannot stop us because parliament belongs to the MPs. Security personnel, they are supposed to stay back in the lobby. And when the suspension is gone, they are not eligible to stop us to go in.
So did you push your way in? And how did the glass door break?
This is a commotion between the male marshal and us. We were trying to go in and they were trying to stop us. And in the commotion, it is being broken. So now how come this security personnel, can she show me the CCTV footage that I have I have done something to her?
But you said there was no her, there was only male marshals.
Male marshal were there and the second line, female marshal was there.
So there are two things which I want to ask you. One, did you push your way in? And second, where was the need to go back to Parliament or the Rajya Sabha to pick up your stuff? Because when you were leaving, you would have picked up your stuff.
No, how could we? Because whenever this thing is adjourned, we always keep our things in the house only. We come out we sit in the central hall, we go somewhere, and after that, when it adjourns for the day, then only we pick up our things. How will we know that within the adjournment, generally it happens that after resuming from the adjournment, house opens, then they generally chairman names. But this time, they just brought out the parliamentary bulletin within the adjournment period. So we couldn't go. Every day, everybody keeps their things in the house only.
Your colleague Dola Sen gave a gender perspective to this, and she said the reason the women MPs had to go back to collect their things because, like men, they don't have pockets.
this is Dola's. I have, of course, pockets, but I don't keep the mobiles over there. I had my papers. Some papers were there, and some bags, which is accessory bags. I mean associate bags in which I keep my papers and all. So that is were there. So the main mobiles and all, always I wear a Punjabi. Naturally, I have a pocket. Dola doesn't have. So that is rightly said for Dola. Dola is right. But for me, that is not the point. But I had my bags, which I had to get back.
Let me ask you again, because I want clarity on this. Did you push your way in?
So they were stopping us. So naturally, we wanted to go in. So I simply said that there was a commotion. That because we wanted to go in, they were stopping us.
So you pushed the security guy.
Why should I push the security guy? I was pushing the door that let us go in. And they were pushing from inside that they will not let us go in, as he said that they haven't got any permission. We are not allowed to go in. This is where the commotion started.